When you're feeding a large crowd, one of the easiest things to present is a charcuterie board. There are a few simple rules I like to follow when I'm creating something like this for a big crowd. The first thing I typically do is lay out my bowls. These are the vessels that I'm going to place dips and different things in, and then I'll go straight into building it. I begin with unrefrigerated items so that those perishable items could stay in the cooler as long as possible. Consider asking guests ahead of time if they have any dietary restrictions so that you can provide food for your entire crowd. Additionally, separate those items so that they're not touching items compromise them. My biggest rule of thumb is to add as much to the board as possible, leaving no space. This signifies the idea of abundance in intentional living. You'll soon see in this video that I started to place the cheese and the fruit and then forgot to record the rest, but that's okay, you get the idea. Another intentional habit when building these boards is to add the same kind of cheese in multiple places so that every one of your guests can reach the same items at any given moment. You can see that pattern of repetition throughout the board. The theme for this board is sweet and savory snacks, adding fruits and vegetables along with cheese and meats and crackers with dips. This is a great way to cover all of the bases for every single guest. Don't forget to subscribe for many charcuterie boards to come. They're such a great addition to any party. Happy snacking!